Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will see what is the largest state and union territory of India in terms of area and population. So first we will talk about the largest state of India with respect to area and population, then followed by union territory. Okay, so starting with the largest state of India. So Rajasthan stands as the largest state in terms of area, almost covering about 3,42,239 square kilometers, followed by Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. And let's see some key important points about Rajasthan to be remembered. So, Rajasthan is located in the northwestern part of India, and Rajasthan shares its borders with five other Indian states and Pakistan. And Rajasthan is home to numerous beautiful lakes, including Lake Pichola and Sambar Salt Lake. And the capital city of Rajasthan is the Pink City, which is Jaipur. And Rajasthan has rich historical heritage with numerous forts and palaces like the iconic Amber Fort and City Palace. The Pushkar Camel Fair is a popular annual event in Rajasthan that attracts tourists from around the world. Rajasthan is a hub of cultural vibrancy with vibrant folk dance and dance forms like Ghumar and Kalbelia. The state has a rich handicraft tradition producing intricate textiles, pottery, and jewelry. Let's move to the largest union territory of India according to area. So, Jammu and Kashmir is the largest union territory in India with an area of around 1,25,535 square kilometers, which is followed by Ladakh. Ladakh has an area of around 96,701 square kilometers and followed by Andaman. Andaman is having around 8,249 square kilometer area. Jammu and Kashmir has become a union territory since October 31st, 2019. Before that, Andaman and Nicobar was the largest union territory. Jammu and Kashmir is referred to as being a part of the Indian held Kashmir, which is the IOK, by the government of Pakistan, whereas according to Indian government, the region governed by Pakistan is referred to as Pakistan occupied Kashmir, which is POK. Azad Kashmir and Gilgit Baltistan, which are administered by Pakistan, are divided from Jammu and Kashmir in the west and north by the line of control. Jammu and Kashmir is named after the two regions it contains, that is the Jammu region and the Kashmir Valley. Now let's see what is the largest state of India according to population. So in terms of population, Uttar Pradesh is the largest state with I mean to say by population, which is having around 200 million population. So it is located in the northern part of India and has a diverse cultural and linguistic landscape. The state capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow, which is known for its historical significance and architectural heritage. Agra, another major city in the state, is the home to the iconic Taj Mahal, which is one of the seven wonders of the world. The state has a rich historical heritage with landmarks like the Red Fort in Agra and the Bara Imbambara in Lucknow. And Uttar Pradesh is also home to several wildlife sanctuaries and national parks such as the Dudhwa National Park and Chandraprabha Wildlife Sanctuary. Uttar Pradesh is a place of pilgrimage for people for various faiths like Hindus, Buddhists, and Jains due to its numerous temples, shrines, and historical sites. And coming to the next part of the video, which is the largest union territory of India according to population. So, Delhi. Delhi is a city and also a union territory of India, which is known as the formerly known as the National Capital Territory, that is NCT of Delhi. So New Delhi is the India's capital. It is also included in the city of Delhi. Delhi is bordered by the Indian states of Uttar Pradesh and Haryana, and this is the most populous union territory according to 2011 census, and it has over the city of Delhi has over 11 million people population, while NCT has around 16.8 million. So the agglomeration of Delhi as well as NCT, so it is totally the union territory consists of around 28 million people, and making it as the India's world's second largest metropolitan area. Delhi was the capital of two great empires, which is the Delhi Sultanate and the Mughal Empire, from the early 13th century until the mid 19th century. The fact that the city is home to three UNESCO World Heritage Sites, that is the Qutub Minar, the Humayun's tomb, and the Red Fort, which adds to its significance. The names of Nizamuddin Auliya and Amir Khusrau are widely connected with Delhi, which was the early center of Sufism and Qawwali music. And Delhi was a significant center of the Indian Rebellion of 1857, and New Delhi became the British Indian Empire's capital in 1911. New Delhi remained India's capital even after independence. And one more most important point to remember is that Delhi is India's second wealthiest metropolis, ranking fifth among Indian states and union territories. Delhi has India's second highest GDP per capita. So this is about the largest state and union territory of India according to area and population. Hope you all understood the video. Thanks for watching.